Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find deleted posts on TikTok. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok has emerged as one of the most widely used social media applications globally, with millions of users engaging in content consumption and video uploads. In the event that you unintentionally delete a video on TikTok, there may be a possibility of recovering it. However, it is essential to bear in mind that the recovery or deleted video is contingent upon them not having been permanently deleted. So, how, if you want to see, if you want to check the deleted videos on your TikTok account, it's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. You can go to your profile, and then here, first, I will try to delete one of my video. This one, for example. Can go back. Now, where to find that deleted post? You can just tap on the upper corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can just scroll down. You can go to activity center. Tap on activity center. Scroll down and you'll find there is an option recently deleted. You can just tap on that. So here's where all the deleted posts will be saved before it uh, removed permanently from your TikTok. It was saved until 30 days before it deleted permanently. So anytime if you want to recover it, you can just tap on the video that you want to restore, tap on the restore, and you can restore it to your profile again. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find deleted posts on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.